Cause I ain't really playing games. I saved all the numbers under their nickname.
Yeah.
That's slick game.
Yeah.
That's quick game.
Yeah.
1 or 2 days, then it's dick game.
What's up, world? This is J.O.N, Grammy Award-winning music producer and the music director for the 85 South Show. And here we are again with another freestyle breakdown. This one features Sada Baby and Karlous Miller. So we were chilling. Actually, we were waiting on DC and Clayton to get there, and while we were sitting there, Los, asked me to play some pimping, and that's how this all started. And I just appreciate Los so much for just all the love he shows for me and my music. That's my dog, man. Los has always shown love and always looked to connect me, introduce me. And then you'll see that in this episode as well, making Sada aware of who I am and what I do. This is one of my favorite Los freestyles too, like, he went in. It's always cool to see artists amazed by Los's freestyles. I don't know, I just get a kick out of it. Like, they be looking like, damn, Los really be rapping. Yeah, he be rapping his ass off. And this is a great example of that. So check out the Karlous Miller Sada Baby freestyle. And after the freestyle, I'm gonna show you how I made the beat.
J.O.N, it's about that time though, man. Like, if you was gonna do it, just some of that J.O.N pimping. Yeah, some of that J.O.N pimping, man. Oh, not the drums. That's how you feel today? That's how you want to start the episode off? No, man. Scoop, that's hard. That's hard. That's a hard-ass intro. J.O.N heard you was coming and he had to cook that up. Cause he been holding out on me.
This is gonna be our intro music?
Yeah.
Okay, like that?
Yeah.
All right, so at the beginning of this episode, everything gotta be slow motion though. This is slow motion.
Okay, bet. He said the intro gotta be in slow motion.
Off this beat, the intro to this episode gotta be slow motion. Everything gotta be slow motion. Different cuts, all slow motion.
I felt shit. That's why I was about to jump it off. But I had to let Scoob hear some of that J.O.N pimping though. It ain't right. This is one of the coldest rappingest niggas out here. And he gotta know that if he ever in the yo, and he's sitting there like, I need some pimping, J.O.N.
Easy too. I'm gonna make sure Big Wayne get his number.
Telling you, man. I know you'll talk some good shit on here too.
I don't waste no time. I don't waste no time.
Yeah. Yeah. I talk some shit like you be talking on there. Like,
get busy.
Hey, take a freaky bitch and get some pussy in the kitchen. I had a dick and cuz she said that both the titties itch. Karlous Miller, pussy killer. She know some real niggas, but not a nigga realer. I take her to the Walmart, get her what she want. I buy her shit, cause other niggas don't. Don't cost a lot of money if you ain't getting none. She got a daughter and a younger son. That booty fat, and she working for the city. Her hair long, both her titties real pretty. She got a sister, her name is Tammy. They freaking on a boat, I took them to Miami.
What else?
Her daddy can't stand me.
What else?
Her mama don't like me.
What else?
Her little sister got a crush. Her big brother wanna fight me.
What else?
They don't try me, cause they know I'm strapped. I keep the bitch right here on my hand, right there on my goddamn lap.
Yeah.
Cause I ain't really playing games. I saved all the numbers under their nickname.
Yeah.
That's slick game.
Yeah.
That's quick game.
Yeah.
1 or 2 days, then it's dick game. I ain't rushing nothing. I ain't from Russia. I ain't a pimp. I'm a motherfucker.
Yeah.
I take my bitch and buy him food. They say my number under that dude. This shit out there real smooth with it now. I'm telling you. I get on the bitch man like silk pillowcase, bro. I'm telling you.
Oh my God.
I almost was in Rough Riders.
It's all about the sample. And the cool thing about sampling is no two producers are gonna approach the same sample the same way. kick. Ooh. Clap. Ooh, a little extra clap in there. Listen. Listen again. It's my clap, my clap. Let the sample have it. Ooh. When you listen to the sample by itself, that's a snare. Clap. I approached it like, I don't have to put a clap there. Working with samples is like science. It really is. Anybody who samples will tell you that. And adding an extra snare part just to add to that bounce that we talk about, right? Ooh. So you see how the snare just adds to that bounce. Check this out. If you look at the other section, I don't have that here. You gotta let the track breathe as well. We talk about less is more when it comes to production. Nothing more could be true. Like less is always gonna be more. You know, I'm looking at this, I know why I didn't add that snare in the first half, because the first half hat is just going crazy. And they both can't coexist, they gotta work together. So check it out. Ooh. That second half snare pattern is crazy. I haven't listened to it like this in a long time, so I'm just like, I'm impressed with my former self, if that makes any sense. Like, damn, that was pretty cool, dog. That's cool that you did that. Because if you listen, the second half hat is like a Migos cadence in a song. I want you to listen to this and I want you to think about Takeoff rapping. Ooh. Science. This is science. What possessed me to do that like that? I don't know. But I'm glad I did. I love a good open hat. If we listen again from the top and just see how the open hat adds to the bounce. Ooh. Ooh. It's amazing how that adds so much bounce. So again, it's about things that contribute to the bounce. Adding the 808 rim, I don't know, it just felt fitting. Let's check that out. Ooh. Got his own space, got his own pocket. But no 808 rim here though. So my favorite part of the song is the transitions between sections. And it's my favorite part because of the live drum break that I added. Just sets up the second half perfectly. And we can't forget the 808. So now that we've broken down all the layers, let's listen back in context. And if you take this section and remix it and with your own freestyle, please tag me, I want to hear it.
Hey, J.O.N. Hey, J.O.N.
J.O.N signing out. If you would like an MP3 of this instrumental, of this beat, click the link below. Click the link in the description. So all my producers out there, if you'd like the stems from this session, as well as the session from the previous video, my memberships are open. The Tiger Clan membership is open. Join the Tiger Clan and you can get access to stems from different videos, samples, and a lot more. Thanks for tapping in. Peace.